Wagwan fam, welcome back to the channel again. So today guys, we have another
excited vlog.
We always say that, but today we are going to tour a house for sale in Lakeside Park, Discovery Bay. We're going to show you the exact location of it. So we're going to have a tour basically today. The realtor is supposed to come in a few minutes from now, so we are waiting on him to come so he could give us the tour and whatnot. But before he does that, we are out at the front here waiting for him. So meanwhile we are waiting, we're just going to show you guys around to give you a brief synopsis of how the community itself on the outside looks. Alright, so let us get into that. And if you guys like this video, ensure that you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you have not subscribed as yet, click that post notification bell to be notified when we upload. And yeah, we could go on. And as per usual, rain always seem to want to interfere with anytime we do the kind of vlogs here. So it is now raining. Wow. Just as we both get into the video, came hungry. There is a, what do you call it now? I know you call it a supermarket. It's called Daffers. I'm going to show you the entire building when the rain stop and so. Yeah. But you look at them sell work for things. We're gonna get something to eat. Not me, Kim. We're gonna get something to eat and then we get back to you after all of this rain is over. Hurricane rain. This is hurricane rain. Hurricane. Take your time. Water to the. And so the veranda space. Alright. And this house is going for $24 million. As you can see, we drove all the way in. So that is your gate out
it's
there.
Not too far from the main.
It is very close. We were standing just out there when we were introducing the vlog, but we weren't quite sure where exactly. So this is the front area that you will get. Okay. Enter in.
I think this is the living room.
Living room. Lights, any lights? Alright, so living room area.
And we have ceiling fan, 2 windows.
Two windows with the grill. I hope that you guys can see. Alright. The type of ceiling. Alright then. Okay, so it's how many bedrooms? It's how many bedrooms total?
4. 2 is upstairs.
Oh, so it's a 4-bedroom. Oh, it's upstairs and downstairs, and we didn't even. Alright, so this is one of the bedrooms. This bedroom is big. This is a big bedroom. This is a huge bedroom. Door. And yes, this is the door leads to the veranda area, and this we have 2 windows with inside grill and a closet. Can you want me? Let me see.
Yes. It's a built-in closet built in the wall. Yeah, in the
Oh, okay. Okay. So yeah, it's like a walk-in closet, and you have upstairs. Up there is for storage. Yeah, okay. So this is 1 bedroom. This is the bath. So you enter the bath. Alright, so this is the bathroom. So this is the tub and so forth. And you have your area too. We have the area to put stuff. Medication and stuff. Can't even talk. Oh my god. Alright, this is another bedroom. It's the same size as the other one that we just looked at. Two bedroom.
It's the same thing up there with closets.
Yes, they have a walk-in closet. Yeah, same size. And top storage. So this is the downstairs.
Oh, this is the downstairs.
Yes.
This is the kitchen.
Alright. Ooh. This is a big kitchen. You can see. So sorry. With one window. Cabinets. I guess you can add more if you wish, whatever.
This kitchen is very big.
It's big.
Very big.
Yeah, it's a very big
It's
kitchen.
like this kitchen is like a room by itself.
You can have. Yeah, step down.
Okay.
Oh, so we have a half bath. This half full bath. Oh, this is a full bath.
This bigger than the next one.
Is it?
Yeah. Bigger than the next one.
Alright, so bath.
There.
Oh, comes with hot water and storage. So down here you have your storage area and another bath.
Let me go ahead.
Alright, so this is the stairs to go up. How many acres of land is it sitting on, sir?
How many acres? From recollection, it's about 1 acre.
Say it again?
From recollection, it was less than 1/4 acre.
Oh, less than quarter acre. Okay, that's another bedroom. This is smaller than the ones
Right.
downstairs and more narrow.
But what you might realize is that there are bathrooms upstairs.
Oh, the bathrooms are downstairs.
Right, so my input would be create a master bedroom upstairs.
Okay. Alright. So this would be one of the bedrooms.
Yeah, very good big for kids.
Okay, and this is a view. That's a playing field. Oh dear. Activities happen over here very regularly.
So kids can play
Here.
around
Yeah.
the football.
Alright. Oh, and that's a storage area as well. We see the closet.
Same thing apply.
This one is bigger.
Yeah.
This one is bigger. And you have the up for storage.
It's wider but shorter.
Okay, okay. And this is a big bedroom. Bigger than the one over next to over beside us here. So this one has 3 windows. Oh, okay. If you want to put it in a bathroom, oh, a master. Okay.
You know the thing, you plug in first and go.
Yes.
Okay.
So you come in, go in for your bathroom.
Alright. So this is another bed.
You can go to the yard, and see what's going on.
So yeah, 3 windows, a lot of light can come in. A lot of light can come in.
Hold on to your rails, please.
And you hold on to your rails.
No insurance.
Oh. And we go all the way. So
We're going to the yard now.
So from the stairs you go into the backyard.
We have a clothesline, even though the line not there.
So you have your clothesline.
Oh, this is the backyard.
You get all of these trays, all of them are filled.
We have lime tree, banana.
Banana, aloe vera. What is lime? Yeah.
Yeah, lime.
Lime tree. Pumpkin too. See pumpkin around go there so.
Oh, the wash area.
And this is your wash area. Oh, you can put a washing machine inside. Inside here, so not true. Inside the storage area that we
And if
spoke about.
when you have your jeans pants and for wash and you want to curb them, you can curb them like this.
You know, easy enough. True.
You-
Can't bad idea.
but that's true.
People that do that.
So what I was saying now is in terms of the room up at the top there, it's easy to put a bathroom because
Okay.
pipes can come down back to the manhole there.
Oh, okay. So,
So easy to get a bathroom.
alright then. So this room
I'm not
to the end, the last one that we viewed upstairs,
upstairs.
it can be transformed into a bathroom. We never realized. We thought it came all the way
add a
back.
bathroom to the room.
Yeah. So this is the space. Oh, we can just walk here and go around. Alright, so this is side room, side space. And then back to the veranda. Oh, okay. So isn't it for sale? Okay, so this is empty. Yeah, it's empty. Nobody occupies it as yet. I don't know if it is. Yeah, so nobody there to disturb. And a little guard here. You're one of those persons into gardening.
You have internet here as well in bedroom.
Right back around.
Oh, and this, yeah, so it goes
Right, so I was saying is both lots beside you
empty. So over there empty, over there empty, so you don't have no close neighbor. Nobody close to disturb your peace.
You might give her a shot down this one, you know, just to
Yeah, man, I will. So here you go.
go right back around.
Alright. So these are your side space and stuff. So this is how the actual neighborhood looks. It is very peaceful. And they have neighborhood watch.
Oh, they are neighborhood one?
Yeah.
Oh.
So there you go. It's a neighborhood. Hi, Cam. Alright, so this is a little neighborhood. Just not come carry this cross, you know. We're just going to give a panoramic view of the rest of the community and stuff if you guys are interested.
Okay, all right. So the journey from Discovery Bay Town to the location of the house is very near. About 5 minutes or less walking. It all depends how fast you walk.
So you are still close to Puerto Rico, you're still close to Free Beach. So you're very close into the summer. Yeah.
So this is D&G. So Malta, Guinness, Red Stripe beer,
All of the rest
all,
of the series.
all of the Red Stripe series plus
Comment down below which is your best. Which series
who remember Cool Cat?
Cool Cat.
Who remember Cool Cat? Guys, if you remember
D&G
Cool Cat,
Cat.
just comment down below and say I love Cool Cat. Because me love Cool Cat. Me always love Cool Cat.
I don't know Cool Cat, it's just regular soda.
No,
came
me
bigger.
like the Cool Cat, funny. You don't understand not the cat, the Cool Cat.
Yeah, we miss the Cool Cat. Alright guys, comment down below which Red Stripe series you like. Red Stripe Beer, the original. Red Stripe Light. Red Stripe Sorrel Beer. Lemon. Melon. Can they have new one in a melon? They have a next one.
They have a regular Red Stripe Light, which tastes bad. Me not like it.
Well, that are you. Comment down below guys what you
Me like all of them.
Let me tell you what me like. Me like Red Stripe Sorrel Beer.
Me like lemon.
Sorrel Beer and it.
Right
Like
now,
after that, that's
we have whole heap of bottle
Me
we need
love
to go
that.
carry in.
yeah, we have one power to where we need to carry in. We have like 2 crates. You think you can find 2 crates of bottles? Or we can actually bring in and see. Yeah.
Alright guys, so we are back home and we just wanted to say that boy the place hot. Based off of my view, this is just my view. Me feel like say the place is too expensive. 4 rooms and 2 bathrooms, 1 kitchen, 1 hall, one veranda with 1 car, 1 garage, right? It is very expensive. this morning me I think about it and say people can actually get a nice piece of house in Jamaica for $10 million. Trust me, and that land included. So basically you'll spend like $3 million on a land and $7 million can build a nice house, furnish and everything. Trust me. It can work, you have to research it. Yes, $10 million can do that. In a Jamaica in 2020. You don't need the government. The only reason why you carry the government is to help you like borrow the loan from NHT if you get a faster start. But if you have the money, if you have $10 million you want your dream house, may I advise you, you buy your dream house. It costs way less than $17 million if you want a small house like this stone house where they could side other people, right? And where you could spend that $17 million there and build something massive to anyhow you want to build.
You mean purchase your land and build your house?
Purchase your land and build your house. That $17 million included all that. You purchase your land, build your house and furnish it. To any way you want to do it, I still have change left, you can buy one car.
Alright.
Not a brand new, but one car.
For me, $24 million is a lot of money, and remember I asked the gentleman how much land space is it, and as you can see you barely have a good backyard.
Yeah.
The side yard is like yay.
So when my kids are going to run and play.
So it is not, the land space is not big enough, right? 4-bedroom. I don't like how the house is set up, period. That is all I have to say.
Especially
I don't like
especially if you go upstairs.
I hate the stairs. I hate the stairs. I don't know if you as the buyer reconstruct it, but that would be, it wouldn't make no sense. You buy a house that you have to be spending so much money on to reconstruct. I hate the stairs. I hate the windows. So if me buy that the house, I'll have to be thinking about changing the windows, because all of them the windows have to change. They're old. They're not modern. The house is not modern, period. And
again, one more thing, sorry to both you. For the upstairs, you don't have no bathroom, and then so you'd have to use you have to come down the stairs. You have to come down the stairs and use that bathroom. So that doesn't make any sense to me, because if the upstairs should have their own bathroom. Unless they get the idea from old time days where you live upstairs and then you come downstairs, which don't make no sense to me in 2020.
And the gentleman was saying that you can build a bathroom in one of the rooms.
Yes.
Use one of the rooms as the bathroom, because you can connect the pipe to the manhole,
Yes.
which is right below
And
that room.
that makes sense, because the last room that we showed you guys, it is very big. So you can build an inside walk-in bathroom.
But for $24 million, though,
Too
not
much.
24, because he said he cut down to 22.5. It's still
Too
kind of too much. It is too much for a house that you have to do so much renovation to, in my opinion. The tile them going to come out, them tile they didn't do look good. The ceiling, I don't know. For me, I don't know for you guys. If you like it, you can comment down below if you like it. But for me, it's not.
Not ready.
It's not my type of feel of. It's not. Yeah. For me to go and buy a house. If I was building my house with $22 million, I think I would get a house that I want.
Our dream house. We could have get for $22 million. Easy and nice. I want the guys would love it.
So that is my thought. You can comment
thought.
down below what your thought is about the house. Leave all your comments down there. Let us know if you like the house, if you think you're reasonable, or if you think what we have to make sense.
Or it don't make no sense.
Or it don't make no sense. You can comment down below and talk with us in the comments, because we are always down there communicating with every single person that comments.
Definitely. So if you like this video, don't forget to click the thumbs up. If you don't like it, you can thumbs down it. Always remember to comment and ask questions and everything. And yeah, share this video with your friends, because maybe somebody out there want a house to buy, and
they will be interested to do renovations and everything. So
yes, and don't forget, guys, we haven't forget any of you guys. So if you are new to the channel, we really appreciate you for clicking on the subscribe button and turning on the post notification. And if you are returning, thank you for coming every time. We appreciate you guys. You are the guys that are the head of the channel, and we appreciate you guys. So big up to all the newcomers, and big up to all of the old stayers. So once you stay, big up to the self.
The original people.
And
big up
if we
to
watch the video,
yourself.
I'm gonna start a new challenge. If you guys watch this video right until the end, before you write your original comment, please type to the end.
Right.
And then if you're new and you watch to the end, write I subbed. so I can know that you subscribe right when you see this video.
And feel free to comment down below. Leave your lovely comments down below, guys, and we will respond to you guys. Yeah.
So,
until then,
peace.
we will see you in our next house tour or some other nice video that we may have for you guys. So we'll see you guys next time. Bye.